Hi, my name's Michelle and I'm from Overlapping Fiddlesticks, a little craft and coffee shop based in the West Midlands in the United Kingdom. I thought you might like to know a little bit more about what we do and kind of what we're trying to achieve. I love crafting and inspiring and teaching others. That is my passion. And in 2023 we have created two of our crochet alongs, the Midnight Garden and the Cherry Bakewell cupcake blanket. We use a simple pattern format so it's easy for anybody to pick up. We've had great feedback from that, so please don't feel that you're being defeated by a pattern. Hopefully these will get you started and you can then manoeuvre on to new and more great things. We have adapted a lot of our teaching skills to work with a lot of different levels of understanding and abilities. So hopefully there's something for you, no matter how old you are or what you do or what your interests are really. We're very chatty in our videos, so as you can see, and all of our videos are filmed at home in our little home studio. Some are filmed at the shop, some are filmed here, but we try and do it so that you can complement the patterns that we do, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Instagram, yeah, pretty much anything really. But yeah, we're just a family business. Myself and my daughter, my husband gets involved as well, and we're on Etsy. We've got a lot of our handmade items on there as well, so there's loads of things really. But yeah, that's just a little bit about us, and I hope that you find it interesting.